Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Cashback. This tutorial will walk you through the process of earning cashback with your BMO credit card. First, let's start with the basics. BMO Cashback is a rewards program that offers a percentage of your purchase back as cash. The amount of cashback you can earn varies depending on the type of card you have and the type of purchase you make. To get started, you will need to apply for a BMO Cashback credit card. There are several options to choose from, each with its own set of benefits and rewards. Once you have been approved, you will receive your card in the mail, along with instructions on how to activate it and start earning cashback. To earn cashback, simply use your BMO credit card to make purchases. You can earn cashback on everything from groceries to gas to dining out. The cashback will be credited to your account at the end of each statement period. You can then choose to have it deposited into your bank account or applied to your credit card balance. One of the key benefits of BMO Cashback is that there is no limit to the amount of cashback you can earn. The more you use your card, the more cashback you will earn. Additionally, BMO Cashback has no rotating categories, which means you can earn cashback on all of your purchases without having to worry about which categories are eligible. To maximize your cashback earnings, it's a good idea to use your BMO credit card for all of your daily purchases. You can also consider using it for larger purchases, such as paying your bills or making online purchases. It's also important to pay your balance in full each month, to avoid interest charges and get the most out of your cashback rewards. In addition to earning cashback, many BMO credit cards also offer other benefits, such as purchase protection, travel insurance, and concierge services. These benefits can provide you with additional value and protection, and can help you get the most out of your credit card. In conclusion, BMO Cashback is a great way to earn rewards on your everyday purchases. By following these simple steps, you can start earning cashback and getting the most out of your BMO credit card. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your card, and to use your card responsibly, to get the most out of your cashback rewards.